Today we are going to draw a pig, a very cute pig. What's the first letter of a pig, Summer?
P.
Good. P. P is for pig. P is for what?
P is for pig.
Pig. Good. Alright, so have your pencil. We are going to start with, hold your pencil very well. Hold it very well. This is how to hold your pencil. Hold it like this. Alright, so just wait. We are going to start by using the pencil, after which we will then trace it out with our bold marker. We are going to draw a circle here, a big circle, not so big, just for the head of the pig. Then from here, somewhere here, put your pen here, a pencil here, then go out like this, and then come out with, and come here. Good. Then let's put the ear of our pig like this, as if you want to draw a leaf. Good. And another one here. Okay. Your pig ear is so down. It's supposed to be somewhere here.
That's okay.
Okay, if that's okay. Alright, so let's draw a big circle here, the mouth. Now, why is your pig? Okay, your pig is turning upside down. Then put the eye here, 2 eyes. Okay, and just draw off another line here. Like this.
The mouth is funny.
It's okay.
You do not draw the mouth anyways.
Okay, then let's put 2 circles here for this nose.
It looks like a cow.
It looks like cow, yeah. So let's do it a leg here. Come down. It's okay, yeah. From here also, another one.
But that leg is not. It's tiny worker.
It's okay. Just from here, draw another leg, yes. And from here, draw the second leg. Come out here again. Draw another leg here. And then another leg. Join it together. Draw a circle. Like a circle. Okay, then at the back here, draw out another leg that will come down. 2 of it. And from a circle. And another leg, the last leg here. And also make the circle. Okay, and then the tail of the pig, hold it like this, cover the leg, the tail like this.
It looks like a ride because somebody's riding off it.
Yes. Oh, look at it. Okay.
And again.
All right. So let's make let's give it another circle inside the eye here. Okay.
Daddy is looking at me.
Looking at you. It's alright. So this is our pig. So we are going to color the pig now.
No, trace it.
Okay, yeah, that's correct. So let's trace it first. Some is correct. So let's trace it. So trace the ear. Let's trace it out. When you get to the head here, don't go like this. Go. Okay, you can go. Just go around the neck. Go ahead. Go around the head.
I can't do it. I'm just gonna do different sides.
It's okay.
I just done it.
And when you're done, do the eyes.
Inside eye.
Yes, and then we have to shade it here black and leave that circle inside. Okay.
My paper is going up.
You're pressing it up. Okay, so trace here, trace the mouth. You not trace this ear.
What's the ears? How does it find out?
Go ahead. That is doing the legs now. Okay. Alright, go ahead. Make this one. Just stop here. And do this. Stop there. Then come down. Make the legs.
Stop from the tail.
Yes. Then make this one to join.
Stop from the tail.
Yes. This other leg. Make this other leg complete. Tracing the other leg.
Why did you trace it? Because I don't want to just color black with green on those things.
Have you chose it too? How's it going? Good. Alright, have you traced the mouth? Trace the mouth of your pig.
Trace your emoji.
And also trace this other one. This line here. Have you traced this double line on the ear?
A double line.
Yeah. And the other one as well. Good. That's awesome. Wow, this is looking fine. Our pig. So let's color the pig. Which color are we using? Let's use the pink for the ears and the mouth. So here, just awesome.
Heck, I have a big green.
Summer is so fast. Summer so fast.
Daddy, I have a line on my hair.
Yeah.
So messy. When you want to do a drawing, it's so messy.
Yes, drawing can be messy, but it's part of it. It's part of the fun. Wow, this is our pig. Our pigs are looking awesome. Wow. In that color, put some black in the eyes of the pig. The pig eye is so wide. Okay, but that's fine. That's fine. So, wow, I hope you love our painting today. Our pig. Okay, our cute pig. What's the letter for pig? P is for pig. Alright, so can you write the letter P? P, write the letter here. P for pig.
You do not
Awesome. P for pig. So this is the letter P. This is our pig. Awesome. Your pig is looking upward, but it's fine. It's fine. We'll come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for joining us in this video. And please, if you have not subscribed, please try and subscribe. Mama, what do you say? Yes, please subscribe to our channel and see you in our next video. Thank you and bye bye.